Gross profit margin measures how efficiently a company converts sales into profit after covering the direct costs of production. Expressed as a percentage, it reveals how much of every dollar earned remains to pay for overhead, debt, and future growth. Here's the exact formula. Gross profit margin equals net sales minus cost of goods sold, divided by net sales, multiplied by 100. Net sales represents total revenue minus returns, discounts, and allowances. Cost of goods sold, or COGS, includes only direct production expenses, such as raw materials, and direct manufacturing labor. Let's walk through an example. Imagine Company A generates $100 in net sales and spends $60 on COGS. Subtracting $60 from $100 leaves $40 in gross profit. Divide $40 by $100 to get 0.40, or a 40% gross profit margin. Now look at Company B. It also generates $100 in net sales, but spends $80 on COGS. Its gross profit is $20, resulting in a 20% gross profit margin. Company A operates far more efficiently. It retains twice as much money per dollar of sales, giving it the financial flexibility to invest in expansion or absorb rising supply costs. Company B, on the other hand, must either reduce production costs or raise prices, risking lost market share if customers walk away. Keep in mind that gross margins vary widely by industry. Software companies often enjoy gross margins above 80% because digital products cost very little to reproduce. Retailers and manufacturers operate with much lower margins due to physical inventory and labor. It is also important not to confuse gross margin with operating or net profit margin. Gross profit margin looks strictly at direct production costs. Operating profit margin goes a step further, deducting operating expenses like rent, marketing, and salaries. Net profit margin measures the absolute bottom line, deducting all remaining expenses, including taxes and interest. A higher gross profit margin indicates a pricing advantage and strong operational efficiency. Always compare gross profit margins against competitors within the exact same industry to get an accurate read on financial health.